Hello guys, today I'm here to give the review of one of my favorite book, The Alchemist. The author is Paulo Coelho. I read this book and it is very amazing because it has a lot of unexpected things which is described by author, and it's very surprising, and the way the author describes it, it's very nice. Talk about plot is very good because I'm not distracted when I was reading this book, and there's a rule that you should not have been distracted, and this book is very interesting because when I read this book I'm focusing on this actually, and I'm impressed by three characters in this book. First character is the shepherd, second character is the old man, and the third character is Fatima. She's a girl, and this character is very different than the others. So I think these are the three characters which are focused in this story. Some things have been noticed in this book that I have noticed and I have read, that people are from different culture and they talk about their cultures, their languages, and their languages are different because shepherds struggle a lot. Shepherd leaves their hometown and he's a Spanish guy and he enters into the Egypt desert. So Egyptian desert are very dangerous. So but the guys, this book is going to be read and it is one of the books. The Alchemist is very good book, and it is best for all ages. Actually, it's a very best book because Shepherd is a very underconfident guy. So author trying to say it does not matter that who you are, whether you are rich or poor. Your dreams are big, so you can be a big man. Yeah, in the terms of financial and your career. Thing is that I read in this book that nobody is trying to help you, nobody will guide you until you does not want to achieve your dream. So I think it is important to focus on your dream, to follow your passion. It is important that you are vigilant about them. I read this book, and the very impressive line that I have noticed that the old man says to the shepherd that when you want something, all the universe conspiring helping you to achieve it. This is a very good line, guys. Actually, it is very motivated line. If you read it, you will definitely know what the exact meaning of this, and you will apply in your daily life. And if you want to buy this book, it is easily available in your bookstores, nearby bookstores, and it is also available online. I will mention the link in the description.